Okay, so you're telling me a team of scientists just brought back a real-life Ice Age predator from extinction? And not in a movie, but in real life? Oh, we gotta talk about this. This isn't Jurassic Park. This is Colossal Biosciences, and what they've done is wild. They've pulled off something no one's ever seen before. They've brought the dire wolf back from the dead. Yup, the legendary beast that roamed with saber-toothed cats and mammoths is now alive again.
The first two dire wolves since the Pleistocene era.
The secret sauce behind this? Not just clever scientists, but smart machines. Colossal used ancient DNA from fossils over 70,000 years old, and instead of spending decades slowly decoding it, they let AI take the wheel. And it didn't just help, it crushed the timeline. See, the DNA was like a puzzle that had been left out in a hurricane, but AI pieced it back together in record time. It scanned broken strands, spotted over 20 game-changing differences between dire wolves and their closest cousins, gray wolves, and mapped out what made these beasts so unique. Once the blueprint was ready, scientists jumped in with CRISPR, the gene editing tool that lets them swap out DNA like Lego blocks. They took gray wolf cells, added the dire wolf's traits, and then used surrogate dogs to carry the embryos. The result? Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, 3 healthy dire wolf pups. Born in 2024, living, breathing, howling proof that we've officially entered the age of resurrected legends. These pups are now living on a 2,000-acre reserve in Texas, carefully monitored by scientists. But here's where it gets even crazier. This wasn't just about bringing them back. The AI didn't stop at the DNA. It actually predicted how the genes would act once inside a living animal. They call it genomic forecasting, basically letting the computer run the simulation before anyone ever implants an embryo. No guessing, just ultra-precise planning. Colossal isn't done. They're also working to bring back the woolly mammoth, the dodo, and the Tasmanian tiger. It's all part of a mission to fix what humans broke and rebuild lost ecosystems. Of course, not everyone's on board. Some are raising questions, ethical ones, environmental ones, but CEO Ben Lamb says this tech makes things safer. We're not guessing, he says. We're simulating everything, even behavior, or before the embryo's ever made. So, the dire wolf is no longer just a fossil in a museum. It's alive, walking, breathing, and it's only the beginning. The age of extinction might just be over. If that blew your mind, subscribe Technology X AI, because we're just scratching the surface of what science can do. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Should we really bring extinct animals back? Or are we messing with nature too much? Let's talk.